whoever is watching. Today I'm going to show you what's in my fridge. And I share a fridge with my parents and my sister, so there's a lot of things in there. That's not mine. I'm sorry about the lighting, but I only have this lamp over me. I'm trying to, yeah, so you can see me. But yeah, I share a fridge with my parents. And so let's see what's inside the fridge. Okay, let's open and we're going to see what's inside. There's quite a lot of it. Things inside. Okay, on the top you can see that there's different like jams, like lingonberry, raspberry, yeah, salt and butter, and we have orange juice, and this is some kind of thing to have in your bread. It's like, yeah, I don't know what it is. It's something my parents eat. Most of these are my parents, like cream cheeses. I'm vegan, so I don't eat like this. I think there's, yeah, a lot of different cream cheeses like this, and yeah, this one, and this one, and this one. Oh, it fell down. And this one, Philadelphia cheese. I'm just going to take off that. Yeah, and there is a cucumber mix. I love to have that in my bread. And I eat this. It's salsa. It's very good to have in like fajita, or yeah, when you eat taco or something. And iced coffee, tomato puree, fish, more salsa, liver pate, disgusting, more butter, and corn. And we have some meat things that I need, like meat things to have in your bread that my parents eat. And here we have cauliflower. It's very good to make soups out of. And fish, like different Christmas fishy things. They're my parents. And sausages, and more butter, and bacon, and eggs. And the next level down, we have, this is my dad's lunch. I'm not really sure what this is, and I can't open it because there's tape on it. Here we have a persimmon. I think that's what it's called in English. It's a very good fruit. I love it. Must be my favorite besides mango, maybe. And we have sausage. And we have 2 baskets of strawberries. 1 basket, and we have another one in here. There's another one. It's strawberries. And there's this cucumber thing, like mini cucumbers. And there is a yogurt, which I don't eat either. And there's milk. I don't drink milk. And this is my vegan yogurt that I mix with fruits and stuff. And I think this is a cheese inside. And we have more persimmons. And we have a leftover from lasagna, vegetarian lasagna. And in here we have all sorts of weird things. We have some salad, a few cucumbers, we have red bell peppers, tomatoes, more bell peppers, more tomatoes, and we have 1 lime that I bought for something that I was going to make, but I can't remember what that was. And in this drawer there's just a lot of different cheeses, like white cheese and brown cheese and brie and Jarlsberg, which I don't eat either. Okay, so this is the bottom drawer. There we have some carrots and we have some onions and we have more onions. Ooh, okay, they fell out, whatever. And we have, I can't remember what it is in English. Yeah, you know what it is. Onion thing. And we have quite a lot of potatoes and more potatoes and one more and half cauliflower that you know so good, and another cheese. Now we're going to look what's in the door of the fridge. We're going to start at the top. There is this, it is onion, like grilled onion. You can put in a sausage and things. And we have garlic, and I think this is like film from an old camera or something. I don't know what it is. And we have, I don't think, some medication stuff. And we have red food color. And we have vanilla essence, I think it's called. And we have mayo. And we have my rats and medication. And we have caviar. And we have mackerel in tomato. And we have some syrup thing. Oh my god. It's starting to beat because it's too warm, so I'm going to have to close it for just a minute and I'll come back. Okay, I hope it's gotten colder again, so I'll just open it again and we'll see. Yeah, okay, we're going to continue. We have lemon juice, and this is like black thing you have in your soups and stuff if you wanted to get blacker. And eye drops, and vinegar or something, and balsamic vinegar, and dried tomatoes, like sun-dried tomatoes in oil, and mustard, and curry paste, and I'm not sure what this thing is, capers or something. And here we have fish oil, and feta cheese, and raspberry jam, and like dressings, Thousand Island, yeah, hamburger, and teriyaki sauce. It's so good with, you put it on your noodles. And here we have a big bowl of soy sauce, and sweetened chili sauce, and sweet mustard, and three ketchup balls. So yeah, that was everything I had in my fridge. I think I'm going to make this kind of video of my freezer if anybody's interested, and also of this cupboard. You can see a sneak peek of what's inside. You can check it out later when I make the video. So if you want to know when I'm posting these other videos, you should subscribe to me so you get notified. But yeah, maybe you can post video response if you have a video of your fridge. It's kind of exciting, and I'm kind of, everybody's curious about what other people eat and have in their freezer, and yeah, don't you think? So yeah, I think you should post it so I can see it. And thank you for watching. I hope you found it somehow interesting, and I hope I'll see you later. Bye!